Linneus is very focused on our search capability, the ability to deliver hyper-personalized results from video. One place where we're really excited is about the application of virtual video and those hyper-personalized results in the education vertical. We enable students, educators, alumni to search across the vast databases of video and get exactly the content they want. That's what MediaAmp brings for us, is the ability to deliver hyper-personalized capabilities for video. We're very excited to be partnering with MediaAmp so that they can deliver their core technology in conjunction with virtual video and provide an entire suite of new capabilities to the higher education market in the US. The amount of video generated by a university or a college in the United States today, it's staggering. It's hundreds of thousands of hours, research content to campus life to actual education and recording of classroom lectures. There are nearly 5,000 colleges and universities in the US alone, and MediaAmp is our channel into that market. The ability to find the content you want, to deliver your research message, to see exactly what you need to see, is almost impossible today. And with Linneus, it becomes possible.